Hi sweeties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along to cornrow my hair. So this is the first official cornrow that I will be doing on my hair at the salon. So I actually did this one you're seeing on my hair myself like the next day after my big chop. So if you haven't seen my big chop video, I'm going to link it up or in the description box, and I'm just showing you guys the products that I will be going to the salon with, which is my hair butter and my hair spray. If you're new on my channel, I am ADUNNI'S and I create hair tutorials and a bit of lifestyle vlogs. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. Please click the subscribe button to join this awesome family. You will definitely enjoy it here. So I'm using anti-dandruff spray and this TCB hair food. So the TCB hair food is infused with castor oil, which is the reason why I like it, because I have like plain castor oil that I use on my hair like when my hair was still relaxed. So I'm just taking this new journey of natural hair very gradual. My hairdresser was so shocked. Like, she was like, why did I cut my hair? She knew I was transitioning. I've been saying I'm going to cut my hair, but she was like, why did I do it? Why did I do it? And she kept complaining, oh, it's not rhyme, oh this, oh that. I'm like, it is my hair and it will grow back. So I took out the braids at the salon, which I think it's a very wise decision, because my hair felt very soft. It was not hard to, like, the texture was not hard. So she detangled it with a big comb, a white tooth comb, and that was what she was basically doing. And she actually was very gentle with it. It's just that the speed of this video is about 1.3. So she was very gentle with the hair, and until everything was well smoothed out, then she kept complaining about my edges. Like, she complains so much about my edges, but honestly, it is hair, it will grow back, and that is why I just decided to go for this big chop. And someone commented on my big chop video that I should have just cut everything low because of my edges. Honestly, I thought of that, like it was a decision, it was an idea, or it was something I had in mind, but I realized I wasn't going to be able to do a lot of things with my hair if I go lower than this, and I get very bored easily. So I left it like this. Hopefully my ideas will come. If you stick around, we'll grow it together. So if you're still watching this video at this point, I have a lot of helpful hair tutorials below that you would find helpful. So scroll down after watching this one. So I came along with this kinky extension, so I felt I could just like use it, but she said she can't use this, and she suggested that I use Brazilian wool. I was actually going to go with any good option, and we decided to go with Brazilian wool, since she said this wasn't going to be easy, because I was doing DD, not weaving, like two, and I don't know if DD is like a general name, but that is what we call it in Nigeria, DD. It's like flat cornrow as opposed to weaving. So that was actually what I decided to do, and I was going to use Brazilian wool. I felt we didn't even use up to 1/5 of the Brazilian wool. So you're going to see how she did the cornrow. Guys, it wasn't easy filming this part alone. I wished I had gone with someone. So there are actually different ways of starting DD. I also know how to make DD, but I don't start my own this way. But this is the local way. Like, this is a very local way. Like, when you see older people that have been long in making it, this is actually how they do it, as opposed to how I do my own. I don't part my own into two before braiding, and I don't start my own standing in front. I started my own standing at the back. I don't know if you guys can relate, but if there's anyone who knows how to make DD and is watching this video, you will definitely understand what I am saying. Also, DD has been, I don't know if it's a myth or if it's actually true, DD has been said to help grow hair, and I watched one of what is this YouTuber's name, Deborah Bomb's hair I don't Bombs Deborah Bombs hair video. She also had a big chop recently, and she said Didi actually cut her edges as compared to weaving. I don't have edges. Now imagine if this Esther cuts my edges again. Like, it's going to be so painful. But let's see what it looks like. I am hoping I'll be able to like just have this in underneath wigs for maybe 2 weeks. And also one of the reasons why I was going to, like, I wanted to control my hair so bad immediately after my big chop is because I have a quick trip and I won't be able to take care of it if it is out. So that's just it. So just enjoy the rest of the video. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel. Like, there are a lot of helpful videos, and I will link them in the description box that will help you save money this festive period, right? So I'll see you guys in my very next video. Compliments of the season and Merry Christmas in advance. I don't know if I'll be uploading any, like, if I'll be having a video up before Christmas Day. So this is me wishing you Merry Christmas, and make sure to enjoy yourself and create memories with your loved ones. Bye.